What's going on, everybody, and welcome back to the channel. We're out here on Rainy Lake today chasing after some big walleyes in the shallow. It's pretty windy out here, but that's what stirs up the walleyes. So stay tuned, you don't want to miss it. Incher. Too big. There he goes. That's how it gets out here. Go back. Well, that's pretty good. Pretty good day when 21-inch walleye looks small compared to all the other ones. So, but he's still too big for the slot here, so gotta let him go. Another tanker. Oh, just a beautiful fish. Alright guys, a midday update here on Rainy Lake. We've caught it's our 7th walleye, about the same exact size, between 22 to 26 inches. Just all absolute studs. They got a protective slot out here, so unfortunately we can't keep any of these. But we got some back into the cabin that we're catching, or cleaning and eating up. But all we're doing is trolling rattle traps along 8 to 12 feet of water on these islands, and just they're hammering it all. Make sure you fish that windy side of the island, it's worth it. Closest one on the slide yet, but still too big. I think he wanted my rattle trap. Just engulfed it. Yeah, I don't think this one's gonna make the slot either. But just another beautiful, beautiful Ontario walleye. Don't take things like this for granted. GoPro died while I was reeling this one in, but look at that one. 26-incher. Let's get this release. Let's get this release here. Oh. That's definitely the biggest one of the day. Look at the size of that fish, guys. Are you kidding me? Look at how fat it is. Just can barely, I can't even fit a hand around it. Wow. Gonna do it for the walleye fishing episode of the trip. We caught around 15 walleyes that were all over 20 inches. We didn't catch any that were smaller than that, so we didn't get to bring any home, but that's all right. We got some at camp that we can cook up tonight. We ended the day with 33 total fish, 15 being walleye. Like I said, they were just smoking the rattle trap all day. It was a really good day, so hopefully you guys enjoyed the video and stay tuned for the next one.